So do you wanna... I mean, hey, you can swap the world gym, you know, get with the one in Parramatta with Josh.
So I see two or three Pokemon down next to the bridge.
World gym is better.
So I'm seeing someone walking up to
World
it.
gym is so much better than all the other ones that make that.
Can I get a virus?
Why not? Just go.
Okay. Upper low can work, but you have to do upper low, upper lower, upper lower.
Yeah, I do consistent mission, bro.
That would be pretty good as long as you do consistently in 3 seconds.
Alright.
On your radio.
What was it? Yeah, I'm doing push pull legs then upper lower. That's my split.
Okay, go near it. Don't aggro it. Just make it, you know.
This is not gonna work out.
One in front of me.
No. Yep, there you go.
Yo, no,
James, I would ask you to work out with me, but then it would double the time. I don't want to do that.
Should I leave? Are they dead?
Honestly, if you do it efficiently enough, it's
Oh my god!
But like, look, I ain't going all the way out of my
Exactly.
Teleport Darius if he's still alive.
I would ask you to do Parramatta, but I don't know where World Gym Parramatta is.
Okay, tell me. I don't think he is.
He is not alive. He is not alive.
How did you live, bro? It went for you.
What?
Bro, some
Where
North
did,
Beach, sorry.
where did